Good morning, everybody. Crypto Strang here. Just going to very quick video on KU coin staking. Quite a few people have messaged me after my Binance video and said, "Okay, Binance is great, but what about KU coin?" So I'm just going to quickly go over it. So I've done a dedicated video before on KU coin, how to get started with KU coin. I'll put the link below, so if anyone wants to actually get started, just follow that link. But what we're going to actually show on here is how to do staking. There's two sides of the staking. You've got your soft staking, your normal staking with PoolX. So when you're actually on the KU coin site, you can scroll across here and you can see it earn. Now you go down there, you've got crypto lending and you've got your soft staking and your PoolX. Okay, so we're going to hit the PoolX. Now this is when you get to this page. Now you can see the 33 different tokens and coins we've got on here. You can see that all goes, you scroll down, you can see the different percentage, the APY that you'll get, the reference annual yield. So when you scroll down here, you can see the dot. You only have to do a minimum of one Polkadot to start staking. You scroll down. But when you come across it, you can see some projects with massive percentage. And to be honest, when I looked at Hydra, I'd never actually heard of the project. So I looked into it. And when you go across here, you can see it's $15.22. It's basically its all-time high was just under $16, and it's got a lowly rank because they don't know the market cap. It's a relatively new project. Actually, it's quite interesting, but I'd never heard of it. But when they're giving 183%, it sort of opens your eyes up a bit. You know, back in February, it was only $1.40. So it's had massive growth in the last month alone. It's only on KU Coin, obviously, but it's only on HitBTC and Bitcoin.com as well. So it's not on many exchanges. Relatively new project. You can see in the market that it's growing quite very well, you know, let's be honest. So I went on their website, had a very quick look. So I said I'd never heard of it, I didn't know anything about it. And it's quite a basic site. It's got a lot of information on the left side, but the features of Hydra: 100% burn of all transaction fees, 50% royalty on gas for smart contract creators, fixed coin transaction fees, 20% minimum APR staking income. You've even got their own staking calculator on their website. So it states there also Hydra is a permissionless open source proof of stake blockchain built on some of the top of the most proven open source technologies: Qtum, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Blackcoin. So it looks quite an interesting project. I say with the 183%, that's obviously incredible for the old staking. But when you go back, there's many other projects. It's not just that. Obviously, you've got your regular ones. Kusama, 11%, very good. One, EOS is very low. Not that I'm an EOS fan in this shape or form, but Atom Staking, another great project. Tomo chain there. Orion Protocol, need a minimum amount of 10. At the moment, I think Orion Protocol is about $24, so a fair bit, but it gives you nearly 21%. So you go through it, there's a lot. Now they also do it in different stages, you can see here. And talk about another one here, MTV, 30 days. They do the 90 days as well. Again, it's another project. Very good, decent percentage, 21%. Went on there, again, I hadn't heard of the project, to be honest. And it was Multivac, MTV, ranked 998, 0.002. It's been around a long while. Back in April 2019, it was $1, and last March, where we had the whole market dumped, and even stock markets, not just crypto, many coins did have their all-time low last March, and this was 0.001. So when you go on their website, I'll just give a quick overview before we actually do a bit of show some staking, but it's just projects you can sort of see with high returns and what they're basically like now. Multivac is basically, it's like it's their pioneering flexible blockchain platform based on trusted sharding. So it's like a next gen blockchain. They want to achieve higher through that flexibility, infinity scalability. You know, they just want it does a really good project. And you sort of scroll through it and you think, yeah, it's interesting. You know, all dimensional sharding, the high TPS and infinite expansion. A lot of that's obviously varies the transactions per second. You've got the different technologies like for performance and flexibility. So anyway, that was a decent percentage, but that was just give a quick overview on two projects I've never heard of until we actually looked at KU coin staking. But you scroll down now, they've got two pages now. On here, BPro, obviously I spoke about it lately, it's had a massive growth lately, fantastic. Obviously, when you're trying to stake, you won't allow it. So obviously at the moment you can't, but when it is allowed, the minimum stake amount is only 5,000 BPro. So it's not too bad. Now, you scroll to the next page, and again, you've got your different, we just talked about Multivac and different 9 days, obviously you get more percentage. So if you did 90 days, you get 31%. Chromia, another great project. We'll do a dedicated video on that soon. Wonderful project, really like that. This was interesting when it comes to Coty. Now, I did a dedicated video recently on Coty, and we talked about staking. Now, I joined on the official Coty site, got a wallet, verified, etc. But then I found out to do the staking was minimum 25,000, which was roughly at the time about $6,000. So it was a lot of money, which was surprised on the official Coty site. You go on here, minimum stake amount 1,000 Coty. Now, if you do over 90 days, 16.3%. So that is very good, and it's great to see. But the one I'm going to quickly show you here, so if you scroll back, you see at the top here, all. So you've got all the ones there that you can do. Now I'm going to hit Zilliqa. So you go on there, it's 11.52%. So redemption period 3 days, minimum stake amount 3,000. So if I just, all you have to do is literally go there, hit that, and then it comes up here. So the support product, ZIL, GZIL staking. Amount of staking, I'm actually going to do all. You just have to put in your trading password, read all the terms and conditions. And there you go. So you can check your staking record under Assets tab. So we'll do that in a minute. So now it's done it. As you can see that available assets has gone down to 0. There it goes. Absolutely done. All on there, all sorted. So the other part of it is the soft staking, which me personally I don't do. You can scroll down here. You can see all the different percentages again. It's up to you whether you do it. You got the product advantages, what they stake doing soft staking, all to protect the interests of users to the greatest extent. PoolX will distribute the rewards of self-staking daily. High flexibility, easy to use, allow you to earn profits anytime, anywhere without locking up your funds. So a lot of people do like the soft staking. It's not for me personally. But just going back here, when you scroll down the bottom here, you get a lot of information difference here on PoolX. It's a Tron TRC20 project. And you go through everything they do, and it's just got down here the PoolX platform, the PO introduction, and say the staking. So there's a lot of information, and it's very easy to use, as you can see. So you scroll down here, PoolX staking. Again, what I like about the bottom here is all the frequently asked questions. A lot of people say, what is PoolX? Just hit the arrow. It's an exchange that provides liquidity for staked crypto. It's a state of free market that enables the integration of diverse crypto assets and multi-node on a public chain. What are the advantages? Because we talked about Binance the other day, and that was an excellent, easy to use. And this is very similar. It states here PoolX is a free market, possesses different operational views by comparing the traditional mining pool. That is about further engaging competition with the node. So what is POL? POL, proof of liquidity, is a decentralized token issued by the Pool Exchange based on Tron's TR20% protocol. Now, they've actually got their own token, obviously, and it's very low ranks in the market cap. The total supply is $1 billion, so it's a lot at the moment, just approaching 11 cents. Obviously, it's only available on KU Coin, and it's got many sides. I think they're going to develop a lot, and PoolX liquidity trading market is basically there to enhance its competitive strength and ultimately gather more node votes. Other types of staking digital assets will be progressively supported, they've stated, as the staking business matures. So it's certainly going to progress. Already when you go back to it and you see all the different projects they've got on here, 33 of them, you can see there's a lot. And there's some real high quality ones there as well. So when it comes to staking, you see how easy it is to basically get some free crypto. It's like passive income. You know, you put it in, like, say you did that multi-vac for 90 days, it's easy money, 30%. It's entirely up to you if you do. It's not financial advice, but me personally, I'm using staking all the time now. I really do believe in it. So, as I say, the whole point of this was literally just to give you a very quick overview, just to see what everyone thinks, and you can then view your staking and what you've done. You've got your different assets over here. Again, refer to my other video and actually using KU Coin. It's a very easy exchange to use. Between this and Binance, I think they're superbly laid out. Certainly the best, I believe. You know, other sites, obviously, I do like many other exchanges, but I just love the way Binance and KU Coin's laid out. So easy to buy on these two sites as well. But I say this video is just a quick going over KU Coin staking. So anyone want any help? As usual, email me, info@cryptostrain.com, Telegram links below, all other social media. It'd be great to hear from you. Let me know other great staking sites, other great projects we can get high returns. You know, I spent that Hydra at 185%. It's absolutely incredible. So, especially as it's going up in price, you think that back in February it was only $1.40, and now it's not far off $16. So, me personally, I think I'll take a little punt on Hydra, see how it goes. But again, it's not financial advice. So, anyone want to help us, just let me know. Thanks very much. We'll have a chat soon. Cheers. Bye.